Hello and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about the Kickstarter plan in Kajabi, who it's for, what you get with it, and if it's good for you. So the Kickstarter plan is the lowest priced plan that Kajabi offers. If you're paying monthly, it's $89 a month. If you get the annual option, it's only $62 a month. So it's quite a bit cheaper than all of the other plans. The basic, growth, and definitely the pro plan. But what do you get with it, and is it enough? If you're just starting your business and bringing it online, then it definitely is enough and is a great place for you. And that's, you are the person that this plan was built around. So it is, again, for people who are just starting and don't have a lot of contacts on their email list, don't have a lot of products that they're selling, and maybe don't even have customers yet, but are just starting. That's what this is for. So you can see from the website of Kajabi Pricing the list of things that you get. I'm not going to go over that list, but I'm going to talk about it in more real terms. In the Kickstarter plan, you're going to be able to build a website and your landing pages for whatever you want. And whether that's a full website or just a one-page website, you're going to have a presence online and you're going to be able to start collecting leads. You can have a lead magnet, you can have a funnel, you can, have multiple lead magnets if you want. On Kajabi's pricing website, it just says one funnel, but the way that Kajabi is set up, you're actually able to build as many funnels as you want outside of the funnel space. So don't be thinking that you're going to be limited in only being able to have one funnel or only one type of lead magnet. With this plan, and the unlimited landing pages, you're going to be able to have as many lead magnets as you want. And a lead magnet is basically a landing page with a form on it that is going to offer somebody something in exchange for them giving you their information and signing up to your email list. So you're going to be able to do all of that within the Kickstarter plan. You also get one product and the community. So a product is something like a course, a coaching package, a podcast, things like that. So typically it's going to be a course. And if you're starting and you want to have a course to either sell independently or to sell to go along with your individual coaching, then this is going to be great for you because you get that product plus the community. No matter which product you choose, you do get the community. And the community feature in Kajabi is a great, really powerful feature that is awesome if you are trying to build a following and an audience and want a place to interact with them. Or if you've got a group and you want to be involved in that group, the community is great for that. So I do want to talk about the 250 contacts and the 7,500 marketing emails so that, that might not be so clear as to what that is. Your contact list can grow up to 250, and that grows by people buying your stuff and getting put onto your list, or by signing up onto your forms for a lead magnet and getting put onto your list. Once you get up to 250, in order to get any more, you'll need to go into the basic plan. And the basic plan is $149 a month or $104 if you're on the annual option. But anytime you send an email, it's going to be counted. And in all of the other plans, it's unlimited marketing emails, so you don't really think about it. But within the base of the Kickstarter plan, you only get 7,500 emails that you can send before you have to go to a different plan. So that's what that means. It's not a per month, it's not a per year, it's a for the life of your account within the Kickstarter plan. So that's important to understand. Now, there are some things that you don't get with the Kickstarter plan, and one of those is being able to use a custom domain. Another is you don't get third-party integrations, so you wouldn't be able to connect to different services like email services that are automatically connected and things like that. And you don't get extra administrators or extra users in your account. So there's just going to be you working on your account here. If you want to have somebody else with their own login to access your account, then you're going to be needing the basic plan for that. You don't get the advanced automations or to use the affiliate program. Those are all things that you would need a higher plan for. So again, the Kickstarter plan is really designed for somebody who is starting and who doesn't have really a lot going on. You're building your list because your list is limited to pretty small. You're just needing to get out there, to get on the web, to get placed, to draw people's attention to funnel in, to start grow your list, to start making sales. And you get to do all of that in a platform like Kajabi that the platform won't grow, but that you will be able to grow into without having to worry about moving to other things or adding services. Kajabi has so much capacity to help you grow. It's really awesome. And you get it for as low as $62 a month. So it's a great plan for people who are just needing to start, but don't want to pay a whole bunch right off the bat while sales are sparse. So that's what I've got for you today. Tune in next week for some more bits of Kajabi awesomeness.